Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you a story about a that makes the sound a. Ants on the apple, a a a. Ants on the apple, a a a. A is the sound we know it. Yes, the story is about sound a. In a lively jungle, Andy the ant. Ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. Ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. Ant was best friends with an adventurous ape named Ace. One day they decided to find the biggest apple in the forest. As they searched, they spotted an ambulance zooming by with a loud. Curious, they followed it and stumbled upon an astronaut named Anna, who had landed nearby. I lost my anchor, she said, looking worried. Just then, an alligator named Alex appeared, looking very angry. What's all the fuss about? He snapped. Snap, snap. Andy, quick-witted, suggested, let's make it a game. Whosoever will find the anchor first wins a delicious apple. Everyone cheered, hooray, yes, forgetting their worries. They raced around the jungle, dodging arrows made of twigs and laughing. Finally, Andy found the anchor hiding behind a bush. Anna, the astronaut, was thrilled, and as a reward, they all enjoyed a picnic of juicy apples together, leaving their worries far behind. Time for a quick recap. Let's revisit all the a sound words. Okay. This says a says ant. What is this? Correct. Astronaut. And this yummy fruit. Correct. Apple. And they were trying to find it. Tell. You got it. It's an anchor. And this angry Alex, alligator. Absolutely correct. And this is a cute little arrow. This we all know. What is this? Ambulance. Amazing. Good job. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.